This 2018 Forest River Sunseeker 3010DS is a Class C RV. It is located in Rockwall, Texas, 75087 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Rockwall. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 32 feet 3 inches in length and features Sleeps 8, external shower, spare tire kit, water heater, refrigerator, stovetop burner, carbon monoxide detector, auxiliary battery, air conditioning, TV, DVD player, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. This 2018 Forest River Sunseeker 3010DS is built on a Ford E450 chassis and is powered by a Triton engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.